The circuit this caller ID box is connected to went out yesterday, and when that happens it usually messes up the caller ID box, but it typically just freezes and then I have to reset it and then it goes back to normal. But this time it is totally screwed up. It says 0:20 p.m. which is not a time. It's flashing one new call, and the calls are just cockamamie nonsense. Instead of 2 calls, it says 2 contrast. And then there's the calls. It's just complete cockamamie garbage. 2 is greater than 56. So let's see if we can get this fixed. Go ahead and press the reset button. And there we go, it's back to normal. 12 o'clock. The time will reset the next time I get a call.